Gingerbread house drawings don't have to look flat. They can have some dimension too. My name's Kathy, and if you watch now as I draw one on the right, you'll see exactly how I made the one on the left. Step number 1. Start the roof with what is really a wide upside down V shape. It should be centered on your paper. That house shape is finished with 2 sides and a bottom line. Notice that those sides angle in just a little bit and the bottom is straight across. Step number 2. Just a little bit of the side of the house shows. To draw this, continue the roof line down, angle the side in a little bit, and then make the bottom edge go towards the front. Afterwards, a door is added to the front of the house. I like the rounded shaped ones as they look a little more old-fashioned to me. Step number 3. It's time to add that drippy edge of snow on the roof. Start at the left corner, drop down, and make a wavy line that follows the shape of the roof. The end should connect on the other side. Step number 4. Now the snow is in front of the house, so we need to erase 3 lines so it doesn't look like there's see-through snow or something. That would be kind of weird, right? Okay, we can start adding the candy now, beginning with 2 candy canes on either side of the front door. These are 2 tall cane shapes, and because they're very skinny, I'll add the stripes later on with just my crayon. Right now I'm just trying to make them look even with each other. Be sure to erase any lines inside your candy canes so they look like they are in front of the house too. Step number 5. Now we can add an old-fashioned looking window to our house. All you have to do is draw an upside down U, then a drippy kind of ledge below, and 2 window pane lines inside. Step number 6. Okay, it's candy decorating time. I'm adding some lifesaver and gumdrop shapes above the door, but there are all kinds of possibilities, that's for sure. Feel free to add your own favorite candy wherever you want. Step number 7. This house will look a little more cozy if we add a chimney on the roof. Mine is made with a drippy snow shape on top, then 3 lines coming down that are connected at the bottom. Just be sure to erase the inside lines when you're done. Next comes the large lollipop that is on the right side of the house. We can start with a very large circle and then add a pretty swirl shape inside. That lollipop, of course, then needs a stick below it. Step number 8. Now I think it might be fun to include a little gingerbread boy or girl to our drawing. I'm going to draw one on the left side, starting with a round head and 2 outstretched arms and 2 simple angled legs below. Afterwards, a few decorations inside will make it look more like a cookie. Okay, the last thing to draw is a horizon line. Feel free to make one a little wavy to look more like a bed of snow if you want. Step number 9. It's time to trace all of those pencil lines with a black marker. I recommend using a fine tip Sharpie. We want all of those lines in the drawing to really stand out. When you're done tracing, it's a really good time to take a moment to erase any little lines that might still be showing. I'm going to start my coloring with the house. Any kind of brown crayon will do. A light one will look more like gingerbread, but a dark one would look kind of chocolatey and yummy too. The red shapes in my drawing include the lollipop and the lifesaver candy shapes and the stripes in the candy canes. A warm yellow in the window will make things look pretty cozy inside too. Now, to get that kind of snowflake look in the background, we need to start with lots of circles made with our sky blue crayon. The circles can be drawn about the size of a pea or so. The final step then is to carefully color around all of those little blue circles. It does take some patience, but it really does make the best soft, snowy background when you're done. And there is my finished gingerbread house drawing. My name's Kathy, and my website has been teaching kids how to draw for more than 20 years, where you can find over 700 step-by-step drawing lessons. They include how to draw a gingerbread cookie and how to draw an elf. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you keep on drawing.